Hi everyone, this is Maria Gillette with Building the Bluegrass, and today we are at Guardian Savings, one of our favorite banks right here in the middle of Southland, with one of our favorite lenders, Erin O'Brien. Hi Erin.
Hello, how are you?
We're doing good. Thanks for having us today.
Absolutely, glad you're here.
So how long has the bank been in business, and is it a big bank or small bank? Give us a little bit.
So Guardian Savings Bank actually was chartered in 1895 in Cincinnati. And basically, I mean, it started out one branch back then. We have 40 branches now. We're still a regional bank. We're not, a national bank or anything, but our bread and butter is mortgage loans, and that's what they've started in the 1800s, concentrating on mortgage loans, and has, everything's grown. Basically, we just really want to keep costs low and, be as competitive as possible with mortgage financing, and that's what we do best.
So how long have you been here, and how did you get into the mortgage industry?
I have been here for 2.5 years with Guardian. I've been in mortgage and banking for about 11 years, and in Lexington. And I sat across from people all the time, and they were like, "We're going to Guardian. We're going to Guardian." And I was like, "I think I need to check out Guardian."
Go check out Guardian.
And I did, and came and was like, "You guys need to hire me." We're servicing over 3 billion loans right now, but we still have a very small field. All fixed rate mortgages are owned by Freddie Mac or Fannie Mae, one or the other. But ultimately, they get serviced by different lenders, and they get sold a lot. So people always say, "Oh, my mortgage got sold." Well, that's the servicing that's getting sold. And so we service all of our conventional loans here locally. All of them. So we have 3 billion of them that we're servicing right now.
So whoever you get on your closing statement is who you stay with. That's really good.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So explain a little bit, just like a really quick summary, which I know is a long process, but from initial meeting with a client to the closing table, like the quick steps of here's what you can expect.
Sure. Basically, I say start out with a pre-approval. Get a pre-approval first, and then once you're working with you or other realtors, then, you find the house. Once you're under contract, at that point, basically we run credit. There's an appraisal that takes place. Appraiser goes, determine the value of the house. We get the appraisal back. Once we have the appraisal back, the whole file with all of your income documents and everything gets sent to the underwriter, and then from there the underwriter will review everything, including the appraisal, and determine if there's anything else that they need. And then once we have a final approval, then at that point emails go to closing title company that we can see when the earliest that we can schedule a closing, and then we get closing scheduled. And we like it, the process, we like about 40 days, but the whole process, as long as you're patient, we'll get through it.
What would you say, if you had to give advice to buyers and sellers, one thing right now in today's market, what would be your advice?
Get pre-approved. I think that is number one right now, because the way that the market is so competitive and that houses are going so fast, that already having that pre-approval in hand ready to go is, and like I said, we have so many different loan programs that if we can talk through at the beginning and see what program is going to be best and get ideas of estimates and things, then you're ready once you're ready to actually start looking and ready to make those offers quick.
Well, it sounds like we got a lot of good information, guys. And if you're ready to get pre-approved and become a homeowner, call Erin.
Give me a call.
Thanks so much for today.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon.